Hi riders, in this video I will show you the list of tools used to adjust your motorcycle chain for both LH side and RH side. Don't skip any part of this video. Here are some tools. For this left side nut, we can use open-ended 22 mm spanner, and this spanner is from Stanley company. We can also use the ring spanner 22 mm size. If you don't have ring spanner, then remove your bike seat and under the seat you can find 22 mm ring spanner with extender. This video is requested by one of my subscribers, so I uploaded it. For the same nut, we can use this spanner with extender. It will get you good grip on your hands while turning. If you have any questions regarding this video, drop them in the comment section below. Now for these two lock nuts here, we use the two open-ended 10 mm spanners, one for adjusting and another for locking. Suggest me a topic that you would like to watch in this channel. And same number spanners we use at left hand side too. For LH side nut, we can use 27 mm open-ended spanner. The link to buy these spanners are given in the description below. You can use links to buy them online. We can also use the ring spanner with the 27 mm size. It will give you better grip. Ring spanner always gives you better grip and slipping can be avoided completely. Now for opening the chain cover, we use the 10 mm spanners. Both open-ended as well as ring spanner can be used. For the 4 nuts, same size spanner is applicable. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a latest video into my channel. Coming to the front side chain cover, we have to use 8 mm T-shaped wrench. No open-ended or ring spanner will fit for this. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and have a safe ride.